This video, backed by scientific research, delves into incredible benefit of taking cloves every day after 50. If you want to continue receiving videos that will keep you fit and healthy, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. As individuals progress into their 50s and beyond, health becomes an increasingly valuable asset. The choices we make in our daily lives, particularly concerning our diet and nutrition, play a significant role in maintaining well-being in our later years. Renowned for their unique aroma and flavor, cloves have been utilized for centuries in both traditional medicine and culinary traditions. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the numerous ways that cloves can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life after the age of 50. 1. Antioxidant Powerhouse. One of the most compelling reasons to consider incorporating cloves into your daily routine after the age of 50 is their remarkable antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly a compound called eugenol, which serves as a potent scavenger of harmful free radicals. Oxidative stress, caused by the accumulation of free radicals in the body, is a key factor in the aging process and the development of various age-related diseases. They help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of cellular damage and associated conditions such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline. Regular consumption of cloves, with their high antioxidant content, can be seen as a proactive step in guarding against these age-related health challenges. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common denominator in many age-related health issues, such as arthritis, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Cloves, with their natural anti-inflammatory properties, hold the potential to alleviate inflammation and mitigate its consequences. Cloves may help quell this underlying inflammation, offering a more comfortable and symptom-free existence for individuals in their 50s and beyond. The anti-inflammatory effects of cloves are not only a valuable asset for reducing the risk of age-related conditions, but also for enhancing the overall quality of life. Arthritis sufferers may find relief from joint pain and stiffness, while others may experience improved cardiovascular health and a reduced risk of cognitive decline, which can be particularly concerning as one ages. 3. Digestive Aid. Digestive health is another vital aspect of overall well-being, and it becomes increasingly crucial as individuals age. Cloves have long been recognized for their digestive benefits. These small but potent spices have the ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which play a pivotal role in breaking down food and facilitating nutrient absorption. By enhancing the efficiency of the digestive process, cloves can help reduce common issues such as indigestion, bloating, and discomfort. As we age, our bodies may become less efficient in producing these crucial digestive enzymes. This can lead to a range of digestive complaints, from discomfort after meals to malnutrition due to poor nutrient absorption. Cloves, by promoting healthy digestion, can help counteract these issues, allowing for a more enjoyable and nutritionally beneficial diet. 4. Dental health. Oral health is a key component of overall health, and maintaining it becomes even more vital as we age. Cloves have a rich history of use in traditional dental care, and for good reason. Eugenol, a primary component of clove oil, is a natural anesthetic and antiseptic. This dual action makes cloves a valuable tool in the maintenance of dental health. For individuals over the age of 50, the importance of dental health cannot be understated. Dental issues can have far-reaching effects, from causing discomfort and pain to contributing to larger health problems, such as heart disease. Chewing on cloves or using clove oil can alleviate toothaches and reduce bad breath. Furthermore, cloves possess antiseptic properties that can help combat oral pathogens and maintain good oral hygiene. 5. Blood sugar regulation. As we age, the risk of developing diabetes increases. Blood sugar regulation becomes a significant concern, making the potential impact of cloves in this area particularly relevant for those over the age of 50. Some studies suggest that cloves may assist in the regulation of blood sugar levels, offering hope for those seeking to manage or reduce their risk of diabetes and its associated complications. Cloves appear to exert their blood sugar regulating effects by enhancing the body's sensitivity to insulin, the hormone responsible for glucose uptake by cells. This mechanism can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of sudden spikes and crashes that can be detrimental to overall health. 6. Cardiovascular support. The aging process often brings concerns about cardiovascular health to the forefront. Heart disease, including conditions such as hypertension and atherosclerosis, becomes more prevalent with age. Cloves have been associated with promoting cardiovascular health through several mechanisms. One of the primary ways cloves benefit the heart is by helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a major risk factor for heart disease. Cloves, with their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, contribute to vasodilation, the relaxation of blood vessels, which in turn can help regulate blood pressure. 7. Immune boost. As we age, maintaining a strong and responsive immune system becomes increasingly vital. The immune system's function may decline with age, making individuals more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Cloves, with their abundant vitamins and antioxidants, can offer support to the body's immune defenses. Vitamin C, an important nutrient for immune health, is found in cloves. A robust immune system is essential for preventing and fighting infections, from the common cold to more serious illnesses. Regular consumption of cloves can bolster the body's immune defenses, helping to stave off diseases and maintain well-being. 8. Bone health. As individuals advance in age, maintaining strong and healthy bones is crucial for preventing fractures and osteoporosis. Cloves contain essential minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, which are essential for bone health. These minerals play a pivotal role in maintaining bone density and strength. Calcium is perhaps the most well-known mineral for bone health. It is responsible for the mineralization of bone tissue and is crucial for maintaining skeletal integrity. Iron contributes to the production of collagen, a structural protein that forms the framework of bones. By incorporating cloves into your daily diet, you provide your body with these vital bone-supporting minerals. This, in turn, can help fortify your bones and reduce the risk of age-related bone issues, including osteoporosis, which can result in fractures and loss of mobility. 9. Anti-aging properties. Aging is a natural and inevitable process, but it doesn't mean you have to succumb to the signs of aging prematurely. The antioxidants in cloves, particularly eugenol, are instrumental in the fight against aging. These antioxidants serve as guardians of your cells, protecting them from damage inflicted by free radicals, one of the primary culprits of aging and age-related diseases. Cloves, by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, can help you look and feel younger, promoting both physical and mental well-being in your golden years. 10. Weight management. Metabolism tends to slow down as individuals age, making weight management a common concern for those over 50. Cloves, however, may play a role in supporting metabolic activity and aiding in weight management. This makes them a valuable addition to the dietary strategies of those seeking to maintain a healthy weight. By promoting the efficient breakdown of fats for energy, cloves can help individuals maintain or achieve a healthy body weight. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.